Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a tracking number on Depop. First, log into your Depop account either on the official website or through the mobile app. Only sellers and administrators can add tracking numbers. Next, go to your profile and open your Selling Hub or Product Catalog. Find the item you want to add a tracking number for. Make sure you've completed the shipping label for that product. Tap on the item, then choose your preferred shipping service. Once selected, you'll be able to generate and add a tracking number for that shipment. This lets your buyer track the package and keeps everything updated in your sales record. And that's it. That's how to add a tracking number on Depop. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.